Hey guys, Kevin Shabbat, Sarah Shabbat here, and we are once again here to show you that organic tomatoes on the vine from Trader Joe's, organic strawberries, are really not truly organic. We're going to show you the powerful properties of Kangen water, but specifically right now, we're going to show you the powerful properties of Kangen water 11.5 pH. And we're going to do a follow-up video. We're going to let these soak in the water. The purpose of this demonstration is to show you that they all have pesticides on them still. And I'm going to pull them off with Kangen water. Alright, I'm going to get these out of the way. Right in here's strong Kangen water 11.5 produced from our Level Up K8 machine from Enagic. And got some more in here. Got the strawberries. Oops. Just soak the strawberries. We're going to soak these 3, maybe 5 minutes. And we're going to get back and we're going to show you what we pulled off these bad boys. Alright, this is Kevin and Sarah Shabbat. We're back with an update of the produce that we soaked in the strong Kangen water 11.5 pH. And it's only been a few minutes, and I just want to show you it's already pulled off the pesticides, and you know, it's a lot of you, what you can't see, you know, you don't mind, but that yellow water in there is pesticides. And I just want to show you this right here. Here are the strawberries. Wow, that's really dark. Try doing this with tap water. You're not going to pull off anything, because this is it's a nice high pH. You're able to pull off all these nasty pesticides, and I'm going to show you why in a second. I'm going to show you how and why strong Kangen water 11.5 actually pulls off the oil-based pesticides. Because I'm going to show you. We got some oil. Okay, it's a dark oil. I want to use sesame seed oil so you can actually see what's going on. Just going to pour a little bit in this cup. Pour a little bit in this cup. And I'm going to fill up a cup with tap water. And as we all know, oil and water do not mix. As you can see, this tap water, oil and water do not mix. It's already floating to the top. It's separating. But if we use strong Kangen water 11.5 pH, super antioxidant rich, it actually has the ability to emulsify oil. Okay, so this is great for cleaning, degreasing, taking those oil-based pesticides off of your produce. And I just showed you very briefly and quickly the power of strong Kangen water 11.5 and how it's able to emulsify oil. Now, a lot of you, and most of us, we don't do it anymore. We used to make the mistake. Everybody washes their meat and produce with tap water. Well, I'm going to show you something else. I'm going to put tap water in a cup. Okay. Now I'm actually going to put Kangen water on the left here. Just 9.5 for everyday drinking water in a cup. Now, as you know, or as we all should know, tap water contains a lot of different unhealthy, cancerous contaminants, one of them being chlorine. I'm not going to mention the other ones. Here are chlorine drops. These are going to reveal whether or not your water has chlorine in it. So here's the tap water. Just do a few drops in there, and it will reveal whether or not it has chlorine. And if it turns yellow, it has chlorine. I'm going to put drops in the Kangen water. We're going to see if we have any chlorine in the Kangen water. And there's not. That's just a reflection from the other cup. As you can see, in fact, I'm going to mix it up. Nothing. Mix it up. Very chlorinated tap water. Okay? Now, everybody washes their food, their hands, their bodies. You take showers in this chlorine. I want to show you what happens when you wash your produce. I have some onions here that I cut up. This represents your produce. This could be, any vegetable, any food. And as you can see, Kangen water does not contain any chlorine. Tap water does. I'm going to put this in here. So when you clean your produce, are you really cleaning your produce? Or are you cleaning your water? Because what happens is all of that chlorine actually gets drawn in to your produce and vegetables and your meat. And think about when you take a shower. So we're just mixing this up. And look what happened. The chlorine's gone. You know why? Because now the chlorine is in your food. The chlorine's in your food. So not only are you not removing pesticides and contaminants from your produce and your food, but you're now actually putting chlorine into your food. So there you go, guys. And hopefully, I mean, this is just a couple, a couple out of hundreds and thousands of different things that this machine can do and what this water does for us. Maybe you can open up your eyes and really start to investigate what this technology is. My website, you know how to contact me, and perhaps I can help you in the future. Have a good night.